Welcome back to my channel, Jessie J, and today I'm going to be giving my cats some catnip. And I have two cats, so this will be really fun, so let's get started. We will be giving her a little piece of catnip. No more. Look. Now you can watch her. Well, I will go get actually some catnip from the store because we got that one from the garden, but we'll be getting the one from the store also. Because I don't know if the garden. Oh, my other cat's coming. He's like, wow, look at this catnip because he actually loves catnip. Yeah, she's not a really good fan of it, but oh, it was in a plastic bag. Let's put this right here. Okay. Oh, she's going crazy. Listen to her too.
So, good morning. As you know, earlier this week, Mayor Tory announced that he had secured $1.5 million in funding.
I'm going to try to pet them after because once we have... Oh, he's going crazy.
I welcome Mayor Tory's initiative. The support of our political leaders is key because, as you've heard me say before,
yes, she doesn't really care for it.
Violence in Toronto cannot be solved by the police alone. Before I get into our plan for the
oh my goodness.
I want to say how proud I am
Oh, he sees this one.
police service
Do you want this
for
one?
their dedication and commitment each and every day to
Milo.
tackle issues.
When she's at the bag.
Every day.
She's literally at the bag.
The frontline members
Oh my goodness. I'm going to turn down the TV actually.
work hard to keep the public safe by making
Sorry. Okay, there you go. He just drops the bag of catnip. Oh my, Milo! Milo, no, that's bad. He took all the catnip out. Oh my goodness. Milo, don't touch Priscilla. Oh my, I need to go get a broom. Okay. Milo? No. Oh my goodness. I need to go get a broom. Oh my goodness. Good thing there's one right here. Like he was attacking her. Oh my goodness. You like wasted all your catnip. You took it on the ground. Wow. I'm gonna be in big trouble. Really? Be all your fault. I'll just say what happened. Okay. Keep it there just in case. Oh, it's gonna fall. Are you trying to hurt Priscilla? Yeah, this one right here is Milo. That's Priscilla. Well, Milo, he like loves catnip. He's like, he actually grabbed the bait and threw it and took them out. Like, that was crazy. If I open the door to tell my mare, like, my grandma, she's here with me now, to watch them, like, see what they're doing. I'm trying to pet her. Okay. Yeah, he's doing fine. Let's go see him now. Yeah, but all over you, all over you. Yeah. Yeah, now they're pretty good. Oh. Oh. How's your pet? Have you? They're so cute. Now. Okay, they're so cute. They're adorable. Mare, come here. So I just told my mare, and oh my goodness. And she says, okay, in this house there's so much catnip. I'll just say, well, my kitty cat. I just took a picture. You can take pictures while you record this. So, would you like to hear the story?
Oh my
No,
God.
I didn't put all that catnip. So I was recording, and Milo jumped on the coffee table and hit the catnip on the ground and took catnip out of the bag. He poured it out.
Are you still recording?
Oh, they're fighting now. Aw.
Oh my god, it's 25 to 11. Okay, cats.
Look at these kitties. Say bye. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.